Take a ride in the 2019 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.